Hey everyone, Adrian Morrison here, and in this video, I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial of your Facebook ads account and show you where you can find your Facebook pixel, okay? So I'm going to show you how you find your pixel and how you create it. So when you are in your Facebook ads account dashboard, this is the home screen. Now, this is a brand spanking new account, so there's nothing in here. So I imagine this is what most of you watching this video will start, right? This is where you'll start, and this is what most of your dashboards will look like out of the gate. So when you come up here to the top, there is a button that says Tools. So just click on this button, and you're going to see in the drop-down menu an option that says Pixels. So let's go ahead and click that. Okay, now once you've clicked that, you're going to see Facebook Pixel, and you may see Conversion Tracking Pixel Old. That's actually, it says old because Facebook is phasing it out. So if you see this on your screen, just ignore it, because in a couple of months, it will no longer be there. Facebook has this new pixel, which is way better. So this is a good thing. Now, this is the screen that you're going to see if you have not yet activated and created your Facebook account's pixel. All right, so all you have to do is just come here and click this green button that says Create a Pixel. So let's do that now. Now, once you do that, it's going to pull up this box right here, and it's going to ask you to name your pixel. Just type in anything you like, or you can just leave whatever they have there, and then just simply hit Create Pixel. So it's that easy. Okay, so once you hit Create your pixel, it's going to say your pixel is ready. And right here, it's going to give you your pixel ID, which is a string of numbers that identify your ad account. So basically, this right here is your pixel. Now, I have some of mine blurred out because, I have to do that for privacy issues. So just know that you will have a number right here that is yours, completely unique to you. Now, you're going to see two buttons that say Email Pixel Code or Install the Pixel Now. You're not really installing it when you hit Install It Now. This is really a Finish button. So just go ahead and hit Install Now. And when you hit Install Now, it's going to go ahead and bring up all of this information on the Facebook pixel. It gives you this funky looking code right here, which you may use, or I'll be showing you ways to get around having to use this code and just make it real simple for you in additional videos. And then down here you see all of those events I was talking about. So here's the View Content event, the Add to Cart event. If you hit See More, it's going to bring up all of the different events, the Add to Wish List, Initiate Checkout. What else do we have here? Add payment info, purchase, lead, and complete registration. For our purposes in this training, remember from the last video, we're going to be using View Content, Add to Cart, and then Purchase. So these are the three main ones that we're going to use. And you don't have to do anything here. This is just telling you that they exist. So don't even worry about that. Now all you do is hit Next. And when you hit Next, it's going to say Set up conversions and audiences now, and they'll work automatically when you install the pixel code on your site. So you can go ahead and bypass this step. It's not necessary. It's just telling you, hey, these are two things that you can do. Remember, I told you that you can track your conversions, and you can also create custom and retargeting audiences. So we're going to worry about those later. And right now, we're just going to hit Done. Now it says your Facebook pixel, one pixel for conversion tracking, optimization, and remarketing. Remember I told you earlier, tracking, optimization, remarketing. All right, so you can just go ahead and click the X right here. And now you are on your pixel screen, okay? And this will let you basically track everything that your pixel sees. So every website that your pixel is on, it'll track the visitors and what they're doing. It's kind of like Google Analytics. So really, really cool stuff here. Now over in the top right, you'll see here where it says Pixel, and it'll say your account, pick your account name, and it'll have your Pixel ID right here, the date that you created it, then your main Facebook account's name, and there will be a red dot saying no activity yet, meaning your Pixel has not tracked anything yet. As soon as you start getting traffic to your website, after you have gone through all of these tutorials and installed your Pixel, then this will turn green and it'll say active. So don't worry about that. You just have to have traffic first. And you can start looking at the different things that are tracked by this Pixel. So you can see what domain names you're getting traffic from, the exact URLs people are visiting, what types of devices they're visiting from, and events. So you'll be able to see all of your different events, like your add to cart, your view content, and your purchase events. They're all going to be right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to switch over to an account that has an active Pixel in it, so you can kind of see what some of this stuff down here looks like and what this total traffic graph looks like. So give me just a moment here, and I'm going to pull up an additional ad account so you can kind of see what it's going to look like after you start getting traffic. Okay, so here we are in my personal account, and you can view all of the stats now on all of the traffic my Pixel is tracking. Now remember, I said the more traffic you have, the more intelligent your Pixel becomes, because it learns from all of that traffic. So you can see in the last 7 days, I've had 169,000 visitors to my websites. And down here, you can see the different domain names. See, we're selected on domains. And we've got 167,000 people have hit my main store. And then some of the other ones have had a little bit of traffic. You can also look at devices. So we can see that a lot of traffic is coming from people on Android phones, iPhones, desktop computers, iPads, and we can even view the events. So we've had 106,000 page views, 40,000 products have been viewed, 20,000 have been added to the cart, and 2,000 have been purchased. All right, so it follows all of these events that we've been talking about. And up here, it gives you a day-by-day little look at all of your traffic. So really, really cool here. You can also come up here and start creating custom audiences if you want to. And there is an actions bar that lets you edit the name of your Pixel or view the code, stuff like that. But so this is where you find your Pixel, and this is just a quick overview of your Pixel dashboard. This is inside your Facebook account. And remember, you need to install this, your Pixel, on your Shopify store so it can start receiving data, right? So Facebook can start receiving all of the data. And we're going to show you how to do that in this course. So I hope that this was an informative video for you. Go ahead to the next one. We've got a lot more training to do.